Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the latest Brainrot, which is called the Blingo 2026. You are given this Brainrot when it is the New Year's. I don't think it matters like what time. You just need to be here when there's these countdowns. So I was here like a few minutes ago, and I got it because the countdown timer was already at 0. I think you're able to get more than one. So just stay in the game. So for every countdown there is, for like different areas of the world for every area of the world that already hits the like New Year's mark, it's going to give you the Brainrot. So before this, it was something else, and now it's New Zealand. And then after this, there will be another one, and then another one, and another one. So just stay in game. For the ball to drop, I think it will hit the like last New Year's mark. I don't actually know like what country is the last country on this planet that like hits like New Year's. Like that'll hit 2026, but just stay in game. Oh, there's fireworks already. It's still like 6:30, which weird. Also, I hate fireworks, it's loud. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.